This is the lift at Homesense at the St John's Retail Park in Bedford.
Going up, doors closing.
And it is an Otis Gen 2 built in
First floor.
2017.
Doors opening. Going down, doors closing.
And it feels a lot like an Otis Gen 2 Life,
Ground floor.
making quite similar sounds to an Otis Gen 2 Life.
First floor.
See, direct floor levelling, but it just time wastes on the doors. Down to ground.
Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing. First floor.
One, and that's it.
Doors opening.
Lift going up.
This is the lift at Hobbycraft in the St John's Retail Park in Bedford. And it is a platform lift. I don't know who installed it. Got that bar to keep you out of the way. And it's all decorated, the shaft.
First floor.
Got one, and that's it. This is the lift at Wren at the St John's Retail Park in Bedford. It's a Allhollows space. We got to one. Ooh, wow, this is an interesting mono space. Built in 2006. And I highly doubt this place. This used to be something else originally. This definitely used to be something else originally. Wren would not install the mono space. It's got the NX06 motor. Maintained by Bedford lifts. It's a nice mono space. Oh, that's a heavy clunk. Here we are at ground floor, and that's it. This is the lift at Curry's at the St John's Retail Park in Bedford. See, the indicator is a bit glitched on this floor.
Doors closing.
I'm going to go down. It's got a nice Druce Grove voice.
Going down.
You see, you don't have to hold it. This is a really nice platform lift. It's a Phoenix platform lift. This one feels a bit run down.
Ground floor.
Round,
Doors opening. Doors closing.
go back up.
Going up.
This lift sounds knackered. Probably installed in the early 2000s, I'd imagine. We're at first floor,
First floor. Doors opening.
and that's it.
Next going down.
This is the lift at Halfords at the St John's Retail Park in Bedford. It is another platform lift. This one is similar to the one in Hobbycraft, and it is also a Phoenix platform lift. Here we are at ground floor,
Ground floor.
and that's it. This is the lift at a hotel next to a bar in Bedford. Oh,
Please mind the door. Door going up.
it used to be a Stanner lift, but I think it's been modernised with Leicester controls. I think Stanner Maxi lift it used to be. It's a bit bumpy,
One.
and I don't think it has a chassis, but if it did, it'd have a sideways chassis.
Doors open.
That one.
Please mind the doors. Going down. Doors closing. Going down. Floor 0.
Here we are at 0. And that's it.
Doors open.
This is going to be one of the last films of the Express Evans lift. WHSmith's in Bedford is literally about to close. It's probably got maybe a week or two left, probably, judging by the state. And it's an Express Evans lift, and an Otis Express Evans. Go back down to -1. Got arrows there. See, look at that. Barely anything on the lower floor, and actually barely anything on the upper floor too. So this WHSmith is not lasting long at all. The lift is actually quite creepy. Do one more upward trip. We'll do one more ride, as this shop is soon to go. And I won't be able to ride this lift anymore. Just do one last bang on this lift. Let's see if we can make it chime. And that's it. It's about to be rule breaking time. No filming allowed in the Harpur Centre, and I'm filming a glass lift, so this is very high risk film. About to do glass lift at the Harpur Centre in Bedford. It is an EcoDisc NMX11, I think. It's nice, it does pre-doors. Here we are at basement. Go back up to one. It's a nice lift. Security's roaming up there on the top floor.
Basement. Going up.
Back at this monospace, this one's quite nice.
First floor. Basement. Going up. First floor.
This is the platform lift on the entrance at Primark in Bedford. It's a Motoga platform lift installed by Cone. Don't know when. We are at ground. And that's it. This is the lift at Primark in Bedford. It's a ThyssenKrupp Isis Synergy or Galaxy lift, whichever you prefer. Built in 2006. It's a very short distance. There it goes. This is one of the best signs I've ever seen, is those ones. Open up in 5 minutes, that sounds a bit strange. And I think it's ThyssenKrupp maintained. Not the usual sound bit. And that's it.
Hey, what?
Door closing.
Oh, they've repaired the voice in it.
Basement, level 1. Door opening.
very nice announcements.
Going up. Door closing. Ground floor. Door opening. Door closing.
We've got this and crap maintenance as well.
Basement level 1. Door opening. Door closing. Ground floor. Door opening.
This is one of the lifts at River Street car park in Bedford. It is Lift Engineering Services Limited lift. I think the other ones are a bit different. It's replaced in what was it? It's just after, I think it's just after July 2023. No, 2024.
Floor 5.
And this is the lift that was replaced a little bit later.
Doors closing.
Go back down.
Floor 3.
This one announces the floors as it goes past.
1.
Oh dear, floor 1. Got digital advanced logic.
Floor 5.
We're up at 5. Used to be express lifts, but they were replaced. We're at 5. Try and make it to D's lot.
Floor 3. Floor 1. Floor D. Ground floor.
Here we are at ground, and that's it. The age is levelling.
Doors closing.
This is the middle lift. This one was replaced a little bit earlier. It's only probably a couple of months earlier. This one's way less aggressive than the other lift. This one doesn't announce the floors on the way up either.
Floor 5.
And this is basically the same. So that's it.
Doors opening.
This is the lift at VUE in Bedford. Got a door open button there. I wonder what that is about. 2's locked off, go up to 1. Is an Arona. Wow. It is an Arona 3G. Built in 2016. It's maintained by Arona.
Lift going down.
We are at 0. Go back up to 1.
Doors closing.
It's a nice lift.
Lift going up.
That slam is quite violent.
First floor.
We got 1. And that's it. These are the lifts at the Premier Inn in Bedford. They are a Rona 3Gs built in 2016. Whoa, that does not sound very good at all. Wow, these are in rough condition. Let's try the other lift.
Oh God, I love.
Whoa. I'm only riding this lift too because it doubles up as the fire lift, this one. Otherwise it's the same. This one feels like it's in rougher condition. There's a TV there. I can see myself on the camera. Oh, we're going up. Whoa, these are quick. I'm going to go 1.6 metres a second. We are at 7. Go down to ground. No one here. Then we've got a free ride to 7. There's 1 floor below the top, that was. We're at ground floor. And that's it. This is the lift. This is the lift at B&M in Bedford. I think it used to be a Marks and Spencer's. It's been the lift has been, I think probably a Furs, but it's been modernised by Stanner, or maybe even an Evans. It's been modded by Stanner and tourist staff only. I'm going to go back down to ground. Traction. We are back at ground, and that's it. This is the lift at Bedford Central Library. That's free.
Doors closing.
That's free. Oh, it sounds it's got an epic motor. No indicator.
Floor 1. Floor 2.
Oh, looks like it hits rollers. Yep, it's cab.
Floor 3.
We are up at 3. So it's ages to level.
Doors opening.
Go down to ground.
Doors closing.
old Otis lift that had a slight mod with digital lift controls.
Floor 1.
It's maintained by R&J.
Ground floor.
Here we are down at ground. It's ages to level.
Doors
Here we are down at
opening.
ground.
The pay machine at Lurke Street car park in Bedford. And insert the chip coin. And got free parking. Old S&B chip coin system. This is that Queen. Oh, I didn't like it. Oh wow, it doesn't really like our chip coin. There we go, we've got to pay 50p. Get a receipt. These are the main lifts at Lurke Street car park in Bedford. Oh, this one's over levelled. Up to 9.
Doors closing.
These are similar to the other one, except they have these doors. Tell me in the comments what type they are. Also, these are replaced express lifts and replaced in 2017.
9th floor. Doors opening.
And they also do pre-doors.
Going down. Doors closing. Ground floor.
Here we are at ground,
Doors opening.
and that's it. This is the lift to the entrance to Duke Street at Lurke Street car park in Bedford. And got to 9. I think it's an EcoDisc NMX 07. And it's got a strange capacity. And it used to be an express lift. It used to be an express lift, and it was pre-doors. It used to be an express lift, but it was replaced in 2017 by Cone with an EcoDisc NMX 07.
Floor 0.
We are at 0. And that's it. This is the even lift at Lurke Street car park in Bedford. We're up to 10. Surprising 10's actually unlocked because it's actually locked off from the stairs, and I think it's closed. 10th floor, so surprising you can go up here in the lift.
10th floor.
Let's have a look up here at 10. Well, I don't want the lift to leave. I think it's locked, and I think security are going to be after me if I get out here, so I'm going to go down to ground.
Floor 0.
We are at 0. And that's it. This is the lift, one of the lifts at the Allhollows car park in Bedford. There are some EcoDisc, I think NMX 07s. Used to be express lifts, but they were replaced in 2014. Got an old capacity too. Only one of these two lifts is working, so they're actually quite busy. I pressed 8 and it's going down. Okay. Yeah, these lifts are very busy down on the ground floor because the other lift isn't working. They're pretty. This one in particular is pretty creepy, pretty poorly maintained, I think. Huh? What's this lift doing? Right, I think it's something door related. Now the other lift's working. Oh, these lifts are so weird. Oh, come on, man. I'm gonna help this lift out. Yeah, these lifts are extremely weird. Oh my god. Looks like this lift's going to be broken in a sec. What is wrong, man? Okay, safe to say this lift ain't going nowhere.
Doors closed.
Hopefully we'll get a more successful film this time. And this was the lift that was broken last time. And it's monospace.
8th floor. Doors open.
This one does 3 doors.
Going down. Doors closing.
Just a reminder, these are at the Allhollows car park in Bedford.
Ground floor. Doors open. Going up. Doors closing. Floor.
We are at 8.
Doors open.
And that's it.
Going down. Doors closed.
I've now switched to the other lift, and which is the one that broke down on me last time I was here.
Ground
Check them up.
This is the lift round the side at the Allhollows car park in Bedford. And I think it's a Vimek platform lift. It's installed in 2014, is it? Installed in? I don't know. Yep, installed in 2014. I think it's a climbing lift. Got RJ maintenance. And this lift is and not very nice, a bit nasty. Indicator's been vandalised. It's got the emergency stop button. It would show something on the indicator, but the indicator's vandalised, so it won't. And that's it. These are the lifts at Queen Street car park in Bedford. We've got to 8. These are express lifts, and they are the last remaining express lifts in Bedford. All of the other council car parks used to have these, but this is the last council car park left with them. Yeah, these are 90s express lifts with 90s Dewhurst, but are still working and original. And this one is actually the only lift in this car park out of 4 working. Here we are back down at ground. Got 2 button panels. We are up at 8, we've got Epic Motor Sound. You can see the Express logo. We've got their original bell. And they're maintained by R&J. Go for one more ride on these. Only a little bit grossy, these. Got an overload button which you can't press. We are back at 8. We'll stop at 6 on the way down to show slow speed. This one in particular used to have a Drewsgrove voice, but it doesn't anymore, it's lost it. Here we are at ground, and that's it. Glad these are still going. And this is still the only lift in the car park working out of 4.